Hello, in this video, we will look at using classes from the Python library. We will use the date time class as the example. The Python library contains pre-built classes for developing programs. One of the classes is date time. So these are the data fields in the date time class: year, month, day, hour, minute, second, microsecond. So this is the constructor. You can construct a date time using the specified year, month, day, hour, minute, second, microsecond. Hour, minute, second, and microsecond, they have the default value 0. So invoke the now method returns a date time object for the current time. Returns this invoke the from timestamp returns a date time object from the specified timestamp in seconds. Timestamp method returns the timestamp in seconds in this date time object. So we're going to write a test program using date and time class. From date time, import date time. So now we're going to create a date time for September 1st, 2011. This is date time. It is September 1st, 2011. So you have to put this year first, and year, month, and day. So now you can print this timestamp for September 1st, 2011. So that is, this is the, in seconds, this is the elapsed time since January 1st, 1970. Let's get the current time. So this is the current time. Get the current time. And I'll print the year, month, day. So let's run the program. So we're going to see the current time is this is 2020, and month is 8, and the day is 10. And this is the hour is 14. This is hour 10, the minutes is 14, the hour is 14, and the minutes is 36, and this is the seconds. Now we're going to create another date and time using the timestamp. So using this timestamp, and now you can see that is the year, and 1970, month is January, and day is 1, and the hour is 0, and the minute is 0. So this here, let's use a different one here. Let's add 2 more zeros and run this program. So now you're going to see this is 21 hours. And so let's add even 2 more zeros. So now you can see this is 1975, and the month is 9, and day is 15, and the hour is 14. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.